Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload YouTube video on TikTok. So the very first thing we can do is just go to YouTube app, and we'll have to record that video that we want to upload on TikTok. So let's say it's this video right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to play the video and use the screen recorder of my phone in order to record that video from start to bottom. And of course we'll have to make that in full screen to record that. So after I'm done recording that video that I want to upload, what I'm going to do is I'm going to my TikTok app right here, and in order to make a new post I'm going to hit the plus icon at the bottom of the page right here. Just a few moments. Okay, so now I'm going to select upload, and I'm going to select that video from my camera roll. Okay, so this is the video that I have recorded earlier. So right now what I have to do is just hit next and share this video from YouTube to my TikTok account. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.